All right. Hello, hello. Happy Sunday, everybody. I just wanted to do a brief tutorial to show you about this new website where you actually can earn Bitcoin by watching YouTube videos. I've had a couple of people ask me how it works, and I myself have just gotten started, so I thought it'd be a good idea to do a tutorial on this. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as to hit the bell so you'll get notified when I post new videos up. All right, so first you want to go to mybitcoin.com, mybitcointube.com, which I'll actually have my link down in the description so you can click on that if you want to get started. I just got started about 2 days ago, so I am at 22 cents that I've earned in Bitcoin, and I'm also in Group 2 at 13,010 bonus video points, and I'll explain all that later. Yesterday I earned 10 cents. I'm up to 2 cents per paid video now, and I haven't withdrawn anything. All right, so let's go ahead and start talking about the BBPs and the groups and what that actually means, because I did actually purchase some ad packs, and we'll come back to that later. You can also earn Bitcoin by advertising your own YouTube videos. So if you're in network marketing, that's very beneficial for you, so that you can get more views, and then YouTube will show your video to more people on the internet. All right, so in order to be in Group 1, you have 1,600 to 12,000 BVPs, and you get 1.8% of total funds shared with the members in your group. Group 2 is 12,000 to 24,000, which that's the group I'm in. So now I'm receiving a little bit more, 2.7 of total funds shared with the members in the group. Group 3 is 24,000 to 48,000, and Group 4 is 48,000 to 96,000, and on up until 10. So Group 10 is obviously where you want to be. That's the highest you can go. And the more video points you have, the higher your value adds will be, and you can earn up to 210 per view. Or if you're in our freebie area, you can earn by watching videos starting at 5 cents every time you view. Now, to view these videos, you only need to view them for 20 seconds in order to get credit for it. Let's see. So what's the minimum cash out? People ask that all the time. You want to be able to have $5 in Bitcoin before you can cash out. So don't try to cash out before then and then say, oh, this thing doesn't work because they won't let me cash out. So how much commission do you earn? You'll earn 10% of all video and banner ad purchases your referrals make, both now and in the future. So that's powerful. That creates some residual income for you. So basically, if your referral buys $100 worth of ads, you'll earn an instant $10 commission. You'll also earn 10% affiliate commissions when they upgrade, and free tickets in the weekly lottery, and we'll talk about that a little later. All right, so let me slide up here so you can kind of get an idea of what you'll be earning. Go over to earnings. And I'm on the fast computer today, guys, so we are in business. I'm excited about that. All right, so Group 1 is going to earn 1 cent, per video. You get 10 videos, paid videos once you get into the paid bracket. 24 cents in Group 2. Group 3 is 60 cents. And you start getting into, dollars in Group 4, $1.40. Group 5, $3. Group 6, $6. Group 7, $12. Group 8, $24. Group 9, $48. And Group 10, $96. And as you can see, these are the amount of members that have all put in. So it's almost kind of like a crowdfunding thing where we're combining the total profits of everybody in the group. All right. So now I'm going to slide over here to a dashboard so you can kind of see what it'll look like once you set up your account. All right, guys, once again, I need you to, if you're enjoying this information, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell beside it so you'll get notified when I put up new videos. All right, so I did actually purchase some ad packs, and let me see where I go to. Oh yeah, here we go, purchase ad credits. So you can start this for free, but you're going to have to build your BVP up. So you can purchase ad packs starting at $1, and that'll get you started, and then you can compound onto that until you get to level 10 or whatever level that you want to get to. And so when you purchase an ad pack for $1, what you're going to get is 100 YouTube views of your own video. You'll also get 50 banner clicks, which is really important if you're in internet or network marketing. You'll be able to advertise whatever your programs or services are, your opportunities. And you'll also get a 2,700 bonus video points. So that's going to boost your BBPs up and put you in a different group. And then you'll get total 150% on your investment. So the more of these you get, like I got a total of 5. So that's why I have so many credits. So let me just show you the paid videos. First, you get bonus videos every day. Even if you're a free member, you get 10, and you've got 18 hours to actually view them. It's really simple. I haven't viewed these yet today. So it just says 10 BBP. So you're going to click watch this video, and then you'll watch the video for at least 20 seconds, and then you'll come back out, and it will credit your account an additional 10 BBP points right here. Now, if you have a paid package, you will get paid videos. And since I'm in group 2, I had 10, but I've got 9 now because I looked at one of them. I'm going to get 2 cents for every video that I watch for at least 20 seconds. So that's going to give me that 20 cents that we saw of profit in the group. So I'm just going to watch all these, and I've got 20 seconds to do it. And there's some really good stuff in there. I mean, I've come across some things that I've actually tried. So yeah, so that's how you want to watch the paid videos. Also, like I said, I'm going to post my link down in the description. So if you do want to get started, you will have your referral link. Got promotional tools as well. So I'm going to click over here. All right, so this is my referral link, and like I said, I'll post that down into the description, but once you sign up, you'll get your own, and this is what you'll share with your referrals. I think right now I have 1 referral. And you can also have some banners if you want to put those up, if you know how to do banners in different prospective blogs or your different traffic sites. Yeah, so let's see. I'm trying to see if I left anything out. Oh yeah, let's talk about the lottery. Yeah, because you do actually get, well, actually, let me show you something. Let me show you my videos that I put. So once you buy ad packs and you have the opportunity to put videos and banners up there, you can go over there to add new video when you're ready to add a new one. Right now, we're going to manage your videos, which I have. So I have 450 credits total, and that's going to give me 450 views on whatever videos I choose. So I just put one up there, and this one I put 50, and so I've got 47 left, and 3 people viewed. So you know that video got a lot more views, and that boosted up in the algorithm for YouTube. I'm going to add some more videos on there. Also my banners. Let's just go down here so you can see where you want to manage your banners at, if you choose to do so. This is one of my banners for one of my other opportunities. It's a $10 opportunity. It's a really great opportunity. So I've got 100 credits left. So far, no clicks because I literally just put this up this morning right before. But I'm able to track basically to see how many people have clicked on my banner and how many people have viewed my offer. All right, so I'm going to go over here to the lottery, and this will be the last thing that I show you guys. We're going to talk about this. All right. So as you can see here, you receive a free lottery ticket for each video that you watch. I've got 52 now out of a total of 318 million. Okay, I'm not going to try that number. No, 3,187,141. Okay, so I've got 52 tickets, and as long as I keep watching videos, I'm going to continue to get a ticket every time. So 1 ticket for each video you watch, 1 ticket for each paid video your referrals watch, 2 times tickets if you upgrade to premium. I'll talk about that as well. And you can have more tickets, increases your chance of winning a prize and odds of winning a bigger prize. All right, so let's just come down here and see what people have won. So first place is won $159.38. That's not bad at all. You know, second one, $79, third, $39. You know, any money is good money. That's what I say. Well, not all money is good money, but any free money is good money. Okay, so the fourth is $19.92. Blah, blah, blah. You can see all this. And this is how the weekly lottery works. Any tickets that you receive for free will automatically be entered into your current weekly round. At midnight every Sunday, the current lottery draw will end and a new one will begin automatically. After the round ends, a script on the server will pick 10 winners randomly from the pool of members having tickets in the current round. A member will not be able to win more than one prize in a round. So in other words, the same member can't be picked twice. And the prize money will be credited to the account balance of the winners immediately. So that's pretty cool. You kind of, have an option of a lottery just for participating. And let me see if you wanted to. You can earn more if you choose to do the premium membership. So you've got a couple of options. You can start for free. I recommend everybody start for free because at least you're building up your BVPs. Once you decide to purchase ad packs, and it doesn't have to be business or network marketing opportunities. It can just be any video on YouTube that you have that you want to gain some exposure to get more views. So you can add that for $1 starting that way. But if you wanted to earn even more faster, you can upgrade to a premium membership. And so what they get is premium members get priority receiving of the 10x1 super video ads. Otherwise, they're issued at random. If someone buys a $100 ad campaign, it will create $10 $1 super video ads that will be issued at random at the end of the server day. As a premium user, you will get all of those super video ads. That's awesome. So must upgrade to be active by the end of the server day when the super ads are issued in order to receive the 1% ads purchased that day. Okay, so you'll also receive 11% plus BVPs on buying ads during your premium membership. So if you buy a $100 ad, you get 300,000, 270,000 plus 300,000 BVPs as a premium member. So that's really huge because that's going to boost you up really quickly and put you in a different level. You probably will skip about 2 spaces. Okay, so if you're a new member and you sign up without having a sponsor, you're going to be placed randomly under referrals in your downline during your premium membership. Okay, so it will behoove you to have a sponsor so that you don't just get put under just anybody. So like I said, I'll have my link put down in the description. And then you also get more chances to win on the weekly lottery. You'll receive 2 times the amount of tickets for your premium membership. Now, your premium membership that you purchase you have to purchase them every 30 days. So your premium membership is for 30 days. And a 30-day membership is $39.90. You can do a 5-day for $9.90. That'll give you some, opportunity to boost up really quick. And then 15 days, $24.90. So really the best deal is the 30-day. All right, so that's not required. That's just an option to have you earn more faster. So I hope this video explained, everything to you guys so that you feel comfortable about getting started. Once again, I'm going to say if you haven't done so already, please, please, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you are notified when I put up new videos, and also hit the like button, Feel free to share this video with someone else as well. All right, I hope that helps everybody. Have a wonderful rest of the day. If you have any questions, feel free to comment me. All right, peace.